Hi there, my name is Jacob LaRue. I'm a game designer, a level designer, systems designer at Dragon Haven Studios, an indie studio of 25 people. We create games on our RPG. We create RPG games and Unreal Engine 2D platformer games right now. And basically, for school, I'm a student here at Full Sail University, about to graduate associates, going into a bachelor's degree of game design. And in Design 3 class, I'm designed to show a mechanic that using the Scraps project, which I did not have a level 2 class. Level design 1 I did have, but I downloaded the Scraps project, loaded it up, created a new level with something quick I could use for a mechanic here, which is the pressure plate. So I will show that off right here. I will show the blueprints first and then show the video. So for the BP door, at the beginning, when you do event play, which is the beginning of the game, it sets the closed position of this door, which then it gets the actual location so that we can create our own custom event called open door. Now, if the door is closed, raise it up. If the door is open, return to the closed position here, which we set a branch. So we create a variable boolean called is open. So if the open door is true, it sets the actual location to the closed position, which returns it, and then the opposite, we raise it 300 units up, which is the Z position here, after getting the location, and then we keep the X and Y and move it up. That's why there's you will see that there will be no animation. It just quickly goes up and quickly goes down. I had about a half hour to do this, and we set it to false and true respectively here. Now, I made the interactive pressure plate, which is the parent is BB Interactive. Now, we use event after begin and end overlaps when it comes to creating an event that does something, like, for instance, a pressure plate, utilizing doors and switches and buttons. It's one way to do it. And in this case, I made a variable called object number, which increments or decrements. And the whole point of it is if there is one or more objects on the pressure plate applying pressure, then if it is false, interactive feedback. If it is true here, interactive feedback. If there's nothing on it. Basically, we need pressure to open the door, and for the signal to go, the blueprint communication to go to the door, it's an interactive feedback, which targets the door right there. We need, for each triggerable, if it is a BP door, then open the door. So we needed to make an array of all the triggerables and find the door, and if it is there, we open it, using the interaction feedback that's correlated to here, which opens the door. Now I will show the standalone game window version of the Scraps project I quickly had to make for this mechanic. So my programming side isn't very big, but my game design side is very big. So I have a lot to learn anyway, but design is my major, you could say, and programming is like a minor, but I'm getting better all the time. As you can see, there's no animation. As I would add sound, animation, more things make the user experience better for the player. In this case, the rewarding feeling would be to go to a new place, and there might be a treasure here and stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and that was a very basic thing I know how to do, among many other things. I didn't want to just keep pulling on projects and levels I made, so I just quickly downloaded the scraps and just did what I could within the last hour or so. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good day. I look forward to working with any team I work on.